So now we're going to look at the defense side of things so that if you're being sued, you know what to do as well. So when you defend yourself from a lawsuit, you have to make sure that you have been served with, like I said, that sealed dispute package, not an application, not some letter where they're asking for money. It has to be the sealed dispute package, not just the application. If you have only gotten the application that we just went through and you did not get the dispute package that's sealed by the CRT, then the applicant has served you wrong. And this is something that you can bring up to the tribunal. You have to make sure you have the package, not the application. So for the sake of argument here, for the sake of this legal clinic, we're going to assume that you have been served properly. That yes, you got the dispute package, it's reasonable, there's nothing wrong with it, that you have been served properly. So, the application for defense, if you want to look at that, again, civilresolutionbc.ca, you, underneath defense there, hold on, where is it there? So, yes. Respond to a claim made against you. Dispute response. You can also press Control F on your keyboard and type in dispute response. And it'll take you right to it. So you want to download that one. And you'll notice something about this one. Oh, surprise, it looks exactly like the initial application form. So if you've done the application and you were here since the start, congratulations. I don't have to go over it again. You already know pretty much exactly what to do because I just showed you. But in case you weren't paying attention or you went for a drink or something like that, we're going to go over it one more time. So the application, again, similarly structured. About the dispute application for the applicant. Now you're the respondent. So you have an opportunity to, after you put in your personal information, to respond. They're going to have on the dispute notice package Resolution 1, Resolution 2, Resolution 3. For each line, 1, 2, 3, it might only be one. Your job is to respond in 100 words or less is what the application says, but if you need more space, you can always attach a letter to the back of your defense that gives a more robust explanation, because maybe you need a lot more than 100 words. Maybe it's complete foolishness and crazy making, and then you're totally going to need a letter attached to the back. So the most important thing if you're doing defense is to speak honestly. You never ever want to lie to a tribunal or a court or anywhere. If there's more than one applicant in this dispute package, so you want to try and print out a copy of the response. If you have more than just 100 words, attach a letter and just put, see attached letter forming part of my defense. Reserve a spot in the legal clinic. There will be 3 more after this. So if you want to register, do it ASAP. ResolveItCanada@protonmail.com. You can ask your own question. Thank you for doing that. Very first one of August. If you can't attend the legal clinic, you can still ask your own question. ResolveItCanada@protonmail.com. We will take your question.